Oh, daughter dear, like in your dream, and I doubt it will bring sorrow, for your reign true love lies pale and wan on the dowie dens Yarrow. I am a poor wayfaring stranger, while journeying through this world of woe. Yet there's no sickness, no toil or danger in that bright land to which I go.